I am very welcome back you to my channel. My name is Igor, I am QA engineer and I'm sharing with you tips and tricks with test automation. Topic of today's video is Playwright Agent with Claude CLI. Right, it's time for Claude. Previously we viewed video with Playwright Agents and Visual Studio Code, Playwright Agent and Cursor. Now let's see how to set up Claude. It's pretty easy and quick. Usually we are starting from Playwright starting page. Playwright dev, let's head to get started. We need to install Playwright latest version. Let's open our Visual Studio Code. Let me quickly fit it to the screen. Right, and now we need to have open folder. Let's create a folder, call it Claude. And let's open it. Yes, save. Fine. We need a terminal. Let's make it bigger. We are using Node 20 version. Let's install our Playwright latest. Let's switch to the browser. Next, what we need to do is to install agents. TypeScript, test, true. Right, we should be good to go. And Playwright Agents, we are choosing Claude Code. This is important to have a right choice. Let's wait a little bit. Default Playwright installation is in place. Next, initializing agents. As we can see, 4 files were added for agents itself. It's MCP, planner, healer and generator. Also seed file, that's a file where agents start to explore the system which we want to test. And let's open MCP.json. We can see our new Playwright run test MCP server, which has new tools to use. Also we will find seed file which will start to run for agents. Next, going to install Claude Code itself. Let's open documentation. I want to show you some bits of Claude. So for free, you can use only chat on web, iOS and Android and also desktop. In order to use Claude Code or use it in terminal, you need to have a Pro account or you can have an API-based access. You can buy some tokens for your usage. And I already pressed up an account. Now we need to install it. In order to install it, you can use a couple of ways. You can use curl curl, or if you are open a documentation right here, you will see also different methods like curl, homebrew, or npm. For now, I'll try to use with npm to install it globally. Let's run this command. Oops, sorry. That's because I have some... Alright, I think we found the bug. Right, look, if you're trying to copy this command and try to paste it, right, it's without brackets, interesting. Anyway, it's added. And let's open new terminal and let's try to open it, Claude. And yes, as you can see, I'm already logged in, but if you are not, it will allow you to choose your login method and proceed again. You can use Google authentication, for example, for instance. Now let's verify if we have agents in place. Let's call agents. And as you can see, there are 3 available agents from Playwright itself. That means we should be good to go. Next, we want to using Playwright. Let's set up seed file. We will be exploring our sign-in site, demo sign-in. Let me log out and let me show you sign-in page, this one. So we need to call page that go to sign in. Good. That's our starting point. Next, we want to discover and use only one successful login method. In order to do that, we have some account already created some time ago, and we're just going to reuse it. Let me change a little bit. By using these credentials, we are able to log in. And now we want to our Claude create this same flow. Use Playwright Planner. Create a plan for successful signing with credentials. Password like this. Starting from seed file. Let's see. Right, so let's see successful sign-in flow. Email, navigate to sign-in page, verify successful login using Playwright generator. Let's implement this plan. Now let's see how we are going to implement it. In spec, not bad. Not bad. Successful sign-in flow should successfully sign in with valid credentials. Going to the page, email, password, login button to have URL onboarding, welcome to SaaS, sign out to be visible. Seems valid as for me. Now let's use healer to verify green test. Let's bet. Would it be green from the first try? Let's see. Playwright test healer. Yes, run test. We can allow it. But flow overall more or less fine. As you can see, you can quickly address and create a new test plan. You can quickly implement it. And setup itself with just 3 different commands. You need to install Playwright, you need to install Agents, and you need to install Claude. Then you have to have paid subscription for Claude in order to use it for CLI. Your sign-in test is production ready and can be integrated. Let's change it a little bit and check again. So I made a mistake intentionally, and let's see if it can spot it. I'm really interested. Debug, yes, so now it sees the error and want to debug the test. And what would be the resolution? Would it be able to change it manually? Let's see. Need some time to sync. As you can see, it removed 1, which means it could understand and heal actually the test. Maybe not that advanced, but still some silly minor mistakes could be healed. As usual, if you have some thoughts or comments, just leave a comment below and let me know if you have any interesting topics for the next videos. See you soon.